As the return of the King draws near, every hour of every day, of every week, of every month, of every year counts. The war is on. Who is given the direction in your city for 2021?
We are moving into a year in which the reality and the ministry of the Holy Spirit will become so much more real to you. More real to you. Because we are approaching the coming of the Lord. A quick work will the Lord do, and He will cut it short in righteousness.
And as we prepare to be ushered into another important year, 2021, we need to make the change for the salvation of billions of people. Get involved in sponsoring the war for the souls of men. Get involved with the transmission of the December 31st service with the man of God, Pastor Chris, by sponsoring transmissions on TV and radio.
And all nations shall flow unto
Give
us.
many the opportunity to hear and watch God's plan in these last days. From Brazil to Mumbai,
eles eram 10 vezes melhores. Por quê? Porque Deus os havia abençoado.
हम चाहते हैं कि वो कहें, खैर ये बहुत अच्छा मौसम है और मैं चाहता हूं कि आपकी परफेक्ट फ्लाइट आज हो.
from Berlin to Beijing to the ends of the earth, as one man, you can sponsor the translation of the live broadcast in several languages. Make the decision now. God is counting on you to join the bandwagon of veterans that are taking the gospel to the ends of the earth. This is war. Get involved now. Sponsor the December 31st service on TV and radio stations globally. For more information, please use the details now displayed on your screen.